The MLA of North Shillong Constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, along with party workers, had paid floral tributes to the state's freedom fighter, Tirot Sing Syiem, on his 188th death anniversary on the 17th of July 2022. On this occasion, 5 karatekas of the state had also been felicitated after returning home with laurels won at the International Championship held recently. While addressing the gathering, Adelbert Nongrum urged upon the youth to follow the example of the freedom fighter by possessing enough courage and valor to fight for their rights, just as Tirot Sing had valiantly fought and sacrificed his life for the welfare of the community for all generations to come.
Nilai song yang perkat lang bagi sudai bani kasgi oh ni kuat balik sibun kiwi kumlo ban penkup burung ala kijong ki bantah dari kapor ka kem tinggal syu ben no kerki kham tam ni ki sangut ki khun samla kiba lalit ban sim bantah ya ko all India international karate kaba lawan rai ke burung ya ka constituency bani ka jalahi borok kuai yani kasgi ai thublai karpang pi wei ki kmek pa jong ini ki khun samla iba lami sakhamat man wanrai kana borom but kani kajing berkup borom ya pi ilong hai dak ibarit i bisa iba kendiat kum kata kajing ai mensi pi ba ini memantu video ya kaban penkenmau ba pen yai penkup ladi ya ta kamen sim jong jele kamen sim jong je khun kabanum kun no tang steng lenti ndai ngin penkup hala dia ya ta kamen sim riwele kum ki klawat ki babun ba jong kajat penriu ko jongi kham ta mani kasgi kabang ikan mau ka sispa prapupra kalingku sgi bakhlano jong Syiem Tirot Sing ko pen ken mau yang apa dia pi ko pelong presiden pastro ba ka dei ka por jong ni ka juk manta ba om shu mun dia khun da ka bormet kum balai khun te klawat ki por balai ndai ka ni ka por ka juk manta ka pen ken mau bagi ni ai khun da ka bor jumut perkhat da ki sap ki phong ka bangidon hala ki jong ki banta ban penkup hala dia pangingit scam ndai bam don shu Tirot Sing ingit ba sibun ki Tirot Sing ani shmat kenang mi kham tam hani ka por par ka juk ka jengele ka ba ka jai penriu kaya kendu kamat ka ba hadu menta san phui tri kisnam kum ka jai penriu kum ka jala ngimpat don ya ka an ka banyadah kerpang yang i kum ka pateng menta ba dia ka pateng ka badangwan